In this video, we'll be doing some changes on our server. So we'll head over to our server directory and check our routes folder, and we're going to edit our verify email routes. We'll first start off by importing Cognito user from Amazon Cognito Identity.js. Then the next will be to import AWS user pool from our util directory. Yes, we created this earlier, if you remember, util / AWS user pool in camel case. Then after that, we'll go ahead and make some changes here. I'm just going to delete some of this console.log. Then add email to the destructured variable, which is assigned to request.body. Email is giving me error because it's also defined somewhere else in the code. But I'll go ahead and delete some things here. Yes, I'll just delete some things. Delete this too. What else should I delete? Before that, I'm just going to put a new Cognito user. Put parentheses and curly brace. Now set the username to email. Yes, send the username to email, then the pool to AWS user pool. If you remember, we created all these variables in our util directory at the start of this section. Then .confirm registration, open parenthesis, and I'll set the verification string there, comma, true, comma, then an async function with an arrow function. Then I'll set the parameters in the async to be error. Then I'll set some conditions within the arrow function. First off, we'll start with the error. We'll handle the error. If there's an error, we'll return res.status 401. Yes, .error. The error will be the verification code is, yes, the email verification code is incorrect. That being done, we're going to move on to the next line. If there's no error, we'll go ahead and define a variable result equals to await user.find1. Find1 updates. We'll set the criteria to be email, comma. Then after that, what we want to set in the database. We want to set is verified to be true. Remember, I have Tab 9 Pro activated. That's why it's giving me autocomplete suggestions. Then after that, after the set, I'm going to return new to true. This returns the updated document. Yes, this returns the updated document. Then I will delete this line. It's not needed anymore. Then after the results, I'll set that line there. Just cut it and paste it. Structured values to be set what we want to pick from the results, which is the underscore ID. Remember, MongoDB sets ID to be underscore, so we define that as an ID. So I'll go ahead and cut some things out of the Cognito user and paste it there, just like the JWT and sign. I'll paste it inside the function so that everything will be looking good and conforming to the standard of AWS Cognito. After that, I format my document and save. My server terminal will be running to check if there's any errors. So if there's no error, database connection has been successfully initiated. Then I'll come back here and set await to my email verification code page. You can pause this video to see what I'm doing. Then the password hash, I'm going to generate the password hash, and I'll set the password when I'm creating a user in the sign up route to the password hash. Then I'll go ahead and do a test process of the sign up routes. So I'll put my email address and passwords. It's going to tell me thanks for signing up. I've received my confirmation code. Takes me to the verification page. I put the code and it says it's a success. So now I'm going to log in with my email and password. Once I log in, as you can see, it's logged in. It's not showing me the error code of I need to be verified.